Welcome to Toyota Online Showroom. You are able to access this resource with the link provided. Here, you are able to browse through all available Toyota models. Once you reach the landing page, scroll down to see a list of Toyota models. The online showroom will have a list of models available, their starting prices, and a short list of all its features. You can also scroll to the right or left to see other models in that particular class. Each model will have the option to download its brochure for more details. Next, you can scroll down to the loan calculator. This is a rough estimate of the monthly payment required for a specific car. First, select the car of your choice, along with the variant and location. The price of the car will automatically be filled in. The down payment is typically 10% of the total car price. Add in your interest rate, repayment term, and calculate. Then, the estimated monthly repayment will appear. Next, to make a booking or further inquiry, click on Book a Toyota. In this page, fill in your details such as name, email address, and phone number. Then, select the car model that you are interested in. Laser Motor has two sales outlets, one in Bangsa and the other in Seremban. After that, select your preferred date as well as preferred communication mode and time. Finally, tick all the boxes and click Submit. We will receive your requests and will contact you as soon as possible. Thank you.